If you are creating content on YouTube, you will have a home page for your channel, but as much content as you add, it's just going to be a jumbled mess unless you add sections to keep everything nice and organized. I'm going to show you how to do that on this video. This is our home page for our channel, and when you scroll down, there are different sections that we're starting to put on here, because whether you have a lot of videos or just a few, nobody's going to be able to find anything if you get much on there. So the way to organize that is to create sections so that there are categories of playlists that people can explore on the channel. We have over a couple thousand videos on our Live Free channel, and even if you just have a few videos, a handful of videos, creating sections like this makes it so people can actually find the topic that they want to view on your channel. Click the Customize Channel button, and we see now at the bottom of this page, all the way down, there's a button added that was not there before called Add a Section. That's what we do. If you want it to be horizontal like these are, or in a grid pattern. Horizontal is the default. We're going to leave it as horizontal. The content, multiple playlists will organize it like this, and you're going to get a lot more view time if you direct people to multiple playlists. Click on Playlist Selection, Add Playlists, and our new title we're going to use is, let's say, Home Improvement. And once we have a new section title, then we're going to find playlists on our channel that would fit that title. So here we have one called Home Improvement. We've got another one. Let's say we want to add Workshop. Okay, and then click Done at the bottom. You can also add playlists from the someone else's channel if you get their permission, preferably first, or a video of someone else's, preferably if you get their permission first. We're just featuring our own in this tutorial. And then come down and click Done. The section will now appear as its own section. Of course, you can add quite a few onto here. Now, scrolling back up, I'll show you how you can move these sections around. On the right, they don't show up until you move your cursor on top of that area. And then click that arrow, and you can move these around as you see fit. Now, if you want to delete a section after you've made it, go to the Edit pencil, and then once you're inside that section, it gives you the option to delete. Throw it away and it's gone. If you want a certain video to show up first, you load it first. So hovering over the right side of this section, the Edit pencil pops up. We go over to Add Playlist, and in our drop-down menu to find the playlist, just click the one you want to show up first, and you'll be all set. Once you've created a section and you've uploaded all of the videos or playlists that you want, you can change the order of which appears first on this page. So go to Add Playlists again, even though you're not actually adding any. This time you're just going to move them around. At the top, when you hover over, there'll be a white banner with 3 vertical lines. Click and drag to place in the order you prefer. Choose to create a section for playlists or for individual videos. You can choose popular uploads. There are many options. Just click on the drop-down menu and explore popular uploads. is usually a good bet, and maybe you want to choose something like recent posts so that your returning subscribers can see what they haven't seen before. It's the way you intended it to look. Click this to toggle off of the view as yourself logged into your own account, instead as a returning subscriber like you. This is what you saw when you came to our Live Free channel. Thanks for watching. Let us know what kinds of videos you would like to see us add, or perhaps what kinds of new sections you might like to see us focus on next.